Welcome to CSEGuru. In this session, we will discuss an example to implement switch case statement. Already in the previous session, we have discussed the concept of switch case, its syntax and flowchart, and the rules to write the switch case statement. So in this session, we will discuss C calculator program to implement switch case example. The same calculator program we have used to implement else if later example. Now we will discuss the calculator program to implement switch case example. So here if you are considering, we have declared three integer variables a, b and result. And the operator we have declared as a character variable. Then using the printf statement, display in the output screen, enter the expression. So the complete expression we need to enter, and using the scanf statement, we need to accept the expression. That is the variable a value, operator and the variable b value. Now, using the switch case statement, implement the calculator program. Switch, this is a keyword, and then operator, we need to specify within the bracket. And this operator, if you are considering, it may be an addition operator or subtraction or multiplication or division. So any operator we can enter here. So the operator what we have entered, that will be evaluated by this switch statement. Suppose if the operator entered by the user is plus, that is addition operator in the sense, this expression evaluation will result plus operator. Control will transfer to the corresponding case statement. That is addition operator is placed as a first choice. That is first case statement. So case plus. So since this is a special symbol, we need to place within single quote. If it is a constant 1, 2, 3 likewise in the sense, directly we can use case 1, case 2 likewise. If we are using any character constant in the sense, that we have to place within single quotes. So the plus operator we have placed within single quotes. Then immediately after this plus operator, we need to place colon. So this is the rule to use switch case statement. So if it is plus operator in the sense, result is equal to a plus b. A value and b value will be added and the result will be stored in RES. And then break. So after implementing this case statement, it will break from this switch statement. So immediately control will transfer out of this switch statement. So control will go here. And here it will print for this percentage d, it will consider a value. And for this percentage c, it is a character variable, it will consider operator. And for this percentage d, it will consider b variable. Equal to percentage d, it will consider result. So a plus b is equal to what is the result? It will print in the output screen. Suppose if the operator we have entered here is minus operator in the sense, here the switch statement will evaluate minus operator. And immediately after evaluation, according to the result, control will transfer to the corresponding case statement. That is case minus operator. And here it will execute the statement. So result is equal to a minus b and then it will break. Immediately after the execution of this case statement, control will go to this printf statement. So here it won't consider case addition, case multiplication and case division. Because corresponding operator is a minus operator, only it will perform the subtraction operation in this corresponding case statement and then control will transfer out of the switch statement. Suppose if the operator entered as a multiplication in the sense, directly control will go to the case multiplication statement. And here it will execute the statement, result is equal to a into b and immediately it will break. Then control will transfer to this printf statement. And then if it is a division operator in the sense, it won't consider these three case statements. It will directly skip these three case statements and control will go to the corresponding case statement, that is case division. And here it will consider if b not equal to 0. That is the denominator value should not be 0. If the denominator value is 0 in the sense, it will create a division by 0 error. So we cannot able to perform division. Suppose if the denominator value is not equal to 0 in the sense, perform the division operation and store the result with this variable or ES. And then immediately after execution of these statements, control will go to this printf statement and print the result. Suppose if the denominator value is 0 in the sense, it will print in the output screen division by 0 error and it will exit, it won't display any result. If you have entered the operator other than these 4 symbols, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, symbol dollar, likewise if you have entered in the sense, it will skip all these 4 case statements and control will go to this default statement and execute the statements placed within this default statement. So here it will print in the output screen illegal operator and it will exit from the switch statement. So if the entered operator is addition in the sense, it will execute only this case statement. If the entered operation is subtraction in the sense, it will execute only this case statement. Other case statements it will skip. If the entered operation is multiplication in the sense, it will execute only this case statement. If the entered operation is division in the sense, it will execute only this case statement. If the entered operator is other than these 4 symbols in the sense, directly it will go to default statement and print illegal operator. So according to the operator entered by the user, the switch statement will evaluate that operator and execute only corresponding case statement. So this is the concept of switch case statement. Keep in mind all the case statements it will not execute at a time. Only the switch expression will be evaluated and according to the result corresponding case statement only will execute. And it will exit from the switch statement with the help of break. So this is the main logic of switch case statement. So in this session, we have discussed an example to implement switch case statement. In the next session, we will discuss the classical problem in C programming, that is dangling else problem in C. Thank you for watching this video.